Hey there YouTube, Squint here. So today I'm going to look at trying to get this challenge lock open from Monkey Lockpicks sent me. And I'm going to try to use the picks that he made. Just to kind of reiterate, I got my little gauge out, and these are 25 thousandths and these are 19 thousandths. And this one, his prototype, was also 25 thousandths. Pretty cool. We've got a Euro cylinder here. It's got a mummy key. It's 6-pin lock. I won't try to butcher this again. Looks like it's pinned up by Paola. Oh, so you guys can see the name. I'll butcher it if I try it again. But yeah, let's get it in the vise and see if we can get this thing picked. We'll probably, since it's a Euro, we'll probably end up using the 19 thousandths picks. Let's see. All right, there we go. Got it in there. Let's see what tension wrench is going to fit. It'll work perfect. Let's just work with this. So this is a, yeah. All right, hopefully you guys can see. This is a Peterson gem style hook that he made up for me. First time it's gone in a lock. Alright, let's go to the back of the lock and see what we can find. Okay, touched 5, got a nice false set. Okay, got a crunch off of 1. Another deep false set. Oh, I think, oh, we're almost there. Is that it? Nope, looks like it's still on a deep false set. Must have a real deep T-pin or a spool or something. Alright, there was a big click there. Getting a lot of small clicks on this lock. Super deep false set. Feels like it's going to be 1. Oh, yeah, there it was. Number 1. Awesome. Wow, that was quick for giving this thing a shot. Let's see. You guys can see that we're open still. I do have a key. Let's unload me that key real quick. Make sure the key works. This thing is long. Look at this thing. Oh, it's sandwiched in between a couple pieces of wood. There we go. I thought the key was going to be like ridiculously long. It was just sandwiched in some wood. Let's go ahead and lock it back up. You guys can see the bitting there on the key. Real nice bitting. Yep, works perfect. think it may just be just as easy to take this thing apart from the top. Let me see if I got a little Allen wrench that's this size. Yeah, we do. Alright. Let me back you guys up just a little bit so I can get these out of here. Nice serrated pin. There we go. Looks like a little T-pin. Little reduced diameter key pin. Super long serrated spool with a real tiny, looks like it's hollow. Oh, hollow serrated. That's weird. Okay. No, hold on. No, there's more in there. There we go. There's the rest of it. Looks like it had a little piece of the spring that goes around it. Like that. Looks like a standard. And another pin and pin. Looks like it's got two little small wafers around it for the key pin. 3 of them actually. Show you guys that here in a minute. After I'm done fishing it all out. Okay. Little barbell spool. Looks like a serrated key pin. And number 6. A real small spring, like fine. Okay, had a wafer come out on top. Wow. Look at that. It's like a screw. And another serrated key pin. All right. Wow. All right. That's awesome. That's real good work. I almost want to take this off and see what they've done to the plug. Okay. So one is threaded, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4, 5, and 6 are threaded in the plug. And up top, everything looks like it's threaded. Yeah, everything's threaded. But yeah, man, wait till you see the detail on this thing. This is unlike anything I've ever experienced before. Let me zoom in on these. See the detail work that Alright, let me see. So, as you guys can see, in chamber number 1 it was a super serrated, let me see if I can find the other, there we go. Let's see if I can get these closer so you guys can see the work detail that was done on these. I don't know if that's going to work. My lighting's not the best right now. But it's really serrated key pin, and then this key pin is really long and serrated too. Come on, focus on the pin. Very nice. Really long. And then on number 2, had a reduced diameter, and then there was this T-pin with a wafer on top. You can kind of see here a lot of work done to that. Real nice job. And then in number 3, the key pin is a pin and pin, and it had this little, had a piece of a spring around it. And then the top of it went on like this. Whoop. Yeah, you guys can see. Top went on like that. And it had this little spring in it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, let me quit screwing around with it before I lose the pieces. Alright, and then number 4 was another kind of a T-pinish key pin right here, but then there was these little bitty wafers, these little rings right here. There were 3 of them around the pin and a standard driver. And then this sucker right here, it almost looks like a piece of a screw. It's definitely something. With a spool. And then in number 6, it was a serrated with a another screw-like pin, T-pin with a wafer. Let me see if I can get this up close so you guys can look at some of these. These are definitely a piece of work. I'm not sure who. I'm gonna have to go search who Paola is. Paola, Paola, and let them know that, man, this is awesome detail on these pens. It was a pleasure to pick. I just want to say thank you to Monkey Lockpicks. Number one, for sending me this lock. Number two, for making these awesome picks. You guys just have no idea. I mean, you saw how easy it got that lock open. These are again in 19 thousandths. If you guys are looking for somebody to do some picks for you guys and do quality work, by all means, look him up. I can't think of enough. I wish my package open would have done a little more justice for it. I was just a little bit in a hurry, but I wanted to get it open so he knew that the package arrived. So, alright guys, I appreciate your time, and I'll be on to the next lock.